In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Booking.com affiliate program. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn some extra income by partnering with one of the world's leading travel websites. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few moments, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Booking.com affiliate partner website. Simply enter www.booking.com/affiliate program/v2 index HTML into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with an overview of the affiliate program and its benefits. This program allows you to earn commission by referring others to book on Booking.com through your dedicated links. On the homepage, keep an eye out for a button that says Join Now or Sign Up. Clicking this will take you to the registration page. Here you will find a form that needs to be filled out with your personal or business details. Be sure to fill out the form accurately, as this information will be used to set up your affiliate account and ensure you get paid correctly. As you fill out your details, you'll also need to select the type of platform you'll be using. Whether it's a website, an app, or a blog, indicating your platform type helps tailor the affiliate tools you'll receive. This step is important because it ensures that the tools and resources you get are relevant and effective for your specific platform. After you've entered all necessary information, you'll need to scroll through and read the terms and conditions. It's crucial to understand these terms as they lay out the guidelines for your participation in the affiliate program. Once you agree with everything, check the box to agree to these terms and conditions. The next step is to submit your application. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed by Booking.com. This might take a little time, so patience is key here. Booking.com will send you an email once your application has been reviewed and approved. Once you receive the approval email, congratulations are in order because you have successfully become a Booking.com affiliate partner. You can now access a suite of affiliate tools and links. With these tools, you can start sharing your links and earning a commission for every booking made through them. And there you have it, a simple process to become a partner with Booking.com. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to monetizing your platform through one of the most user-friendly and popular hotel booking services online. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your affiliate journey.